the court made one fundamental error. Our first premise was, we don't want to offer the script, we want to present the production. We are confident that if you see the production, you will understand the script. The court is not trained to read a technical manual. The script is a technical manual. So, in all frankness, it was not his job to read the script. By actually passing a comment on the script, he is, in fact, implying that the script should be banned. Not that the play should be banned, not that the production should be banned, but that the script is banned. Now that's taking things very, very seriously. The other thing that people need to be concerned about is that no matter what, he spoke about different cultures and multiculturalism. Well, I'm sorry, but the production is done by Maltese actors with a Maltese director. The play, as opposed to the script, is Maltese. It is the product of a Maltese mentality. It is going to be seen by a Maltese audience. It therefore will follow the sensitivities of a Maltese audience and Maltese actors and Maltese experience. So there again, the judge, because he is not, and this is an unfortunate thing, very often in Malta we don't have people who come out of university who are humanists, who are fully fledged, educated people. What we get are technocrats. A technocrat is excellent at what he does, but hasn't got the Leonardo da Vinci concept of a complete human being. And what happened here is exactly a result of that. The thing about Malta is it's wonderful because it's so small, and so you can study. It's almost like a microcosm, a laboratory. And I've always had this theory that when there is political change, there is cultural change. In 1964, we had independence, and that created a push. Ironically enough, it was a nationalist party, a conservative party. And at ground roots level, there was a change. There was a big change, a fundamental change. We saw theatre exploding, we saw an explosion of the arts, and a questioning of ideas. It was really the first time that authority was being challenged. A few years ago, we joined Europe. That too has created a change. We are seeing an explosion of young people going abroad, but let's look at the case of stitching. It's not isolated. It's far from isolated. In the last year, we had controversy in the visual arts. We had controversy in literature. We had controversy in video and DJing. We had controversy on public service broadcasting with the issue of whether people should take photographs in a cemetery. So what we are seeing here is not an isolated case. So it's not so much the court case that has created this change. It is the fact that we, as an artistic community, is challenging what is happening around us. Stitching will come and go. It's not important. It's really not important. What is important is the fact that the authority has tried to stop the expression, and in doing so has opened a can of worms. So now, whereas in the stitching case we do not challenge the law, outside the court the law is being challenged and is being discussed, and people are asking, is it still valid? So we did not challenge the law. It is society that is challenging the law. We are saying that within the remits of the law, the decision is wrong. But society is taking it a step further and saying the law is wrong. And so government is having to listen to that. And so the issue is not so much the court case, but the events around the court case.